I was looking at that dramatic second test match between England and New Zealand and something done on the Maverick. Looking at the composition of the England dressing room, starting with the recently appointed head coach Brendan McCullum and the new captain Ben Stokes. Both of them were born in New Zealand. The current interim managing director of the ECB and the former director of cricket, also a former captain, Andrew Strauss, was born in South Africa. Current internationals Jofra Archer and Chris Jordan, both born in Barbados. Jason Roy and Tom Curran were born in South Africa. Owen Morgan, the captain of the white ball teams, born in Ireland. Yes. We can go back to Graham Hick and Nasser Hussain and Kevin Peterson, all former captains. None of them were born in England. Now, which other cricketing nation is as aggressive and as barefaced as England with the importation of players? It is obvious that this is a deliberate strategy of getting foreigners to play for England. Is it working? And is it worth it? I mean, the West Indies will try everything to try to turn the corner and not work. Yes. You think we should start recruiting?